Well, almost a year later, and I've still got mountains of footage to edit. This one is a little trip to Northland, aka the northernmost tip of New Zealand's northernmost island. It's called the Te Paki Coastal Track, and I went with some folks from Auckland's Tramping Club. As all good hikes do, this one started with a freezing cold morning dip in the Pacific Ocean. The Te Paki Coastal Track is a 50-kilometer one-way coastal hike that runs up the eastern coast of New Zealand. After passing Cape Reinga, the northernmost tip of New Zealand, it continues down some otherworldly sand dunes on the west side. We started off on an awesome series of ridgelines, beaches, and swamplands.
One ocean, the other ocean.
Something continually impressive is New Zealand's hiking infrastructure. They really know how to do some serious trail crew. After cresting each knoll, we could look back and see where we started from. It was pretty surreal. Each time we saw it, the mist and haze obscured it a little more.
There's so many people, I feel like I want to go away. Yeah, sorry.